Hey guys, my name is Eliott. I'm a mechanical engineer and foil designer for Flight. And today we're going to break down the rollboard. FLITELab rollboard, that's our prone board, top of the line performance product for anyone from an intermediate progressing foiler all the way up to a pro. That's going to be your ride if you're into riding waves, prone foiling, surf foiling, whatever you want to call it. So let's break it down. Shape-wise, it starts off with this rocker line. It is super flat, giving you tons of paddle power, allowing you to downsize the board as much as you can, as much as you want, actually. Outline-wise, we've gone for something very simple, very lean. Parallel rails, really good paddle power, and this chop tail feature that allows you to once again ride something shorter, more nimble. If we look at the bottom shape, it features a beveled chined rail, which is great at creating essentially clearance when carving, but also really good for releasing in banked touchdowns. So essentially these banked touchdowns won't cause as much drag. They'll be really neutral, and that will create a really high performance feel through user friendliness essentially. Then one of the finer details, the deck is slightly concave with a curvature pulled towards the rail, creating that really locked in feel and in control at all times. The construction is really important as well in a prone board, and we put a lot of time in research and development and testing into it, along with Adam Bennett's, and we believe we truly landed on something special. So this board is hyper light, hyper stiff, yet pretty strong for how light it is. And that has been such an intensive episode of testing across more than 2 years, essentially, of testing every possible layup until we found the one that truly was the most effective way to build a board in a light and stiff way. Looking at the finer details that make this board what it is, we have this very nice deck grip, which is super slim and lightweight, yet comfortable and grippy for a nice and connected feel. And we also engineered our own Mast track that features a wider opening at the rear that allows you to essentially drag your foil in and out without having to take the bolts out, which is a really big difference when essentially assembling and disassembling your foil. It's really a special board and the result of more than 35 versions of different shapes and construction combinations, along with Adam Bennett and Chris Reynolds and the rest of the team. If you're serious about prone foiling and riding waves, we believe this is the best thing out there.